In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to edit and publish your mobile website using Godaddy's website builder. First, click the Edit Website button from your dashboard to open the Godaddy Site Editor and access your website's design tools. Next, open the site preview to review how your site appears. When you're ready to edit, exit preview mode by selecting Edit Site to return to the builder interface. Now click Publish from the top toolbar whenever you want your edits to go live for visitors. If you need to remove a section, select Delete Section from the menu and then confirm by clicking the Delete button in the dialog. To add a new contact or job posting section, use the Add Section tool. Then select Contact Us or Job Posting to insert the appropriate type into your page. Then, preview your changes to see exactly how they'll appear on mobile devices before publishing. In mobile preview mode, switch browser tabs or click Publish so your mobile site is updated and visible online. For additional browser actions, open Chrome's menu to access more tools or settings while managing your site. You've now learned how to edit and publish your mobile site with Godaddy.